First time having a front load washer and dryer, and the amount of comments that I got saying not to get one when I shared that we needed recommendations for one, there was a lot. And the main reason is because it starts to smell like mildew. We haven't had that issue yet, but our nanny recommended to leave the washer door open. That way it like filters air throughout. That way the wetness doesn't just sit in there. So that's what we've been doing, and we haven't had that issue so far. But yeah, I'm washing the girls' bedding right now, and as soon as I get it back on, I promise I'll share their bed and I'll link everything for you guys. Probably should have shared the stain before I got it out, but there was a huge strawberry stain on Grayson's shorts right here, and this stuff completely took it out in like 3 sprays. I was very impressed. Daryl Ann was reading about this on her stories a while ago, and she influenced me to apply it. And I'm very impressed. It's pretty clean ingredients too. I got it on Amazon. Nomad-inspired cocktail together on the patio. Is this a porch or a patio or a deck?
This is a deck.
Deck.
I'm actually laying some.
What does that mean? What?
You gotta link this video.